Hey guys, today we're diving into the art of crafting peaceful meditation videos with Canva. It's easy and calming, perfect for your Zen moments. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just starting, no worries. We'll guide you through simple steps to create serene visuals that'll elevate your practice. So, let's dive into how to create relaxed video for your YouTube channel. With step 1, we will discover how to create video with Canva. On second step, we will find out ambient music and apply into our video. Click on Create Design and select YouTube Video. It is easy to navigate, so you can see Main Menu on left side of the screen. Then Preview Screen at the right side. And finally, Editor section at the bottom. So let's start to create our video. Go to Search tab and type Nature Green and select desired video from the ready-made templates. Now it's time to edit our videos so they look shiny. On next step, let's add transition to make our videos run smoothly. I will choose match and move this time. Let's see quickly what we have got. Now we need to get nice music for our video. For this, we will go to mixkit.co and download music to our video. Let's search for ambient type of music and find one related to your video. Here is the one, A Blue Day. Let's listen. Cool, now we need to download it. So we finished to download the music, and it is time to upload the music to Canva. Let's do it! And finally, add music to our video, and we are ready to go, guys. After adding music to the bottom editor section, we have to fit the music for the length of the video. Just move it to desired section of video and drag it from the end side. Now, it is time for show. Let's see what we have got. Amazing! I hope you liked my short tutorial. Please do not forget to like it and subscribe to get more this kind of videos in future. Thanks for watching!